Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I am the caboose in today's lineup for Pouring Coast to Coast, so I just want to take a moment and say thank you so much for choosing to spend some time with me and my friends today. So as you probably already know, Michelle set the challenge and it was using an ombre technique in whatever colors we wanted to use. So I've got something special for you today. So yeah, let's get on to the painting. If you have any questions, as always, put them in the drop box below. And remember, art takes courage. Find your courage, go make some art. And here we are. I usually will do a second coat so that I can do a little more even blending, but I really kind of liked the oceany feel that I got with this first layer, so I think I'm just gonna stick with that. I wanted to take a moment here to mention also that these tend to be time consuming. These ombre effect pieces, when you're doing lots of layers like I do, you know, I'm usually letting it dry a day in between, so it's a little more of a process, but I've really been enjoying that process. I like slowing things down a little bit. You know, I adore fluid art, but it's really nice sometimes to slow down and take your time with a piece. What you're seeing me do here is I am putting down a second set of borders so that I can create a double ombre, which you'll see me do next. And here, when you're seeing me use a razor blade, know that I'm using a very sharp, fresh blade, and I am just barely gliding it along the surface. I'm not putting any real downward pressure. It doesn't take much, and you don't want to dig into your wood panel or your canvas below. And here I'm just using clear gesso, and I am edging all of the tape with this so that I get really nice clean lines. And what that's going to do is it's going to create a barrier to make sure that none of the second layer of paint that I put on here seeps under the tape. And it's really important. I think you'll see me kind of pushing in towards the tape. I think that really helps to make sure that it's nice and sealed and everything is just going to be perfect. Whenever I am doing an ombre effect, I find that that fine mist bottle is one of my most important tools. It really helps to keep everything just a little bit damp so that you always have a wet edge, and it makes it much, much easier to blend. Now, what you see me doing here is I just made a mistake. I did not want my darkest color on that side. I wanted my darkest color on the light side of the blue. So I just decided to scrape that off and go from there.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden. I follow only golden, 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 golden things. Golden, I follow only golden, golden, golden things.
Now, what I'm doing here is I'm just very lightly scoring where the thicker paint is so that I get a nice clean line when I pull the tape off. Now, you don't have to do this if you have time to let your paint dry a little longer, but I just let it dry overnight, so it was still a little bit flexible, and I was worried that it would start peeling. So I just decided to preemptively give everything a little bit of score before I pulled the tape off. Here I am after the tape came off, and I've given it a light coat of varnish, just a spray varnish. Now I'm going to let this dry overnight again before moving on.
Can't
Okay, here we are with the final piece. Sorry I forgot to turn record on for the last tape pull, but you can see how it gives a very three-dimensional sort of effect. Okay. I am really super happy with this. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you all have a beautiful day.